ready for big breeding? In this video, I will show you all my breeds I have done so far, including the new ones I'm gonna breed in this video.
Man, right there. What the dog doing?
So the first one is Hayla. She looks very beautiful, but unfortunately, she has no wings. Next one, you know him already? You pick! I love him. Then there is someone called Baby. I'm not a big fan of Arabian, but I love my little baby. Next, Gotenik. He has nice socks. This one would be the most beautiful if he was a Pegasus. Yeah. I read those comments saying you people like this breed, but I guess you remember my honest reaction when I first saw him. Oh my god! Why? Last one! Go fuck yourself! Here's Gargamel! I think we don't have to comment this. Then there is Khrushchevich. Yep, you see right. That's a big brown spot on his butt. But when he flies, it looked cool. I guess you guys know her already too. Mekash. She is stunning. I love her cute brown eyes. And the spots, so cute. The last one is Disappointment. With the terms of time, I started to like this horse a lot. But right now, let's go back to breeding another 2 horses. We need to buy gems first. This horse is my dream horse! Okay, but now! Oh shit! Again? I did it last month, but whatever! Nice! 5 more slots! Your name will be Katrina, just like the woman with carts! Guys, you don't know how much I wanted this Pegasus! I need to customize stuff to her! Because I got her now, let's breed her with someone. Alright, how about this? I think this could be very gorgeous, so let's... Oh, not again! Wish me luck! Oh my god! This Pegasus is perfect! I don't care if it's Mustang or Frisian. I will love her, I promise. Now let's breed another one. And I can assure you that this one will be stunning! Let's go! 50% chance for a Pegasus! Now I need your luck!
오,
It has a wings! I lost my mind. I dreamed about crossing a pink Pegasus, but I think you know how I feel. I can't believe this. I actually made it. I sure need to keep his copy as a foal. And that means that I'm gonna try hard because I'm short of black pearls. Hi! One day I've been doing social quests, but I couldn't wait, so I've done racings. Most of the time ended up on 3rd place, so it was long. Do we have enough pearls? It seems so. I'll show you Chelsea once she's grown up too. Don't worry. But God must be first. Sure thing! Oh my gosh! That's such a beauty! Ho ho ho! I named her Helen! She's so beautiful, guys! Yay! I'm so happy! Wait! We gotta customize the saddle and other stuff for her! Yoo-hoo!
Turns to dust. Drag me down into the deep. There are secrets
Good! But
to keep.
I think I'll craft the rope though!
I've done dark things.
It will suit her!
It's these long days in the quiet,
And of course my outfit!
and it's a long way to
There! I'm so satisfied! Guys, I hope you liked this video! And which foal did you like more? Helen or Chelsea? And of course, if you had any ideas which horses we should breed next, let me know! I'm not gonna forget to show you grown Chelsea, and you don't forget to make yourself happy! Have a great day, loving! Wait a damn! What is this?